I don't know.
Well, the Project Center really is a crown jewel. The support of the seniors, Dr. Boyer, the favorite ones in the election. That will capitalize on the strengths of both schools and be a good example of interdisciplinary cooperation across campus. While it's not in the program, we wanted to mention that there are several business projects that will be doing presentations today. They include Powder Pound Customs, which is a silver.
We got Alec that are using this program. They won't waste any money actually working or analyzing and using the system. Okay, so now I'm going to.
What protected relays do and why they do in the power plant. So on the right hand side of our screen here, you can see various protected relays inside of and out of power plant.
What you can see on the far right is the information you're going to notice how everything is centralized to the Ethernet switch.
In red, you can see where these relays are at, and down in green are the test switches associated with those relays. So we'll see what this looks like as a finished product. So up the top half there is on the center, we have a generator power house. The box is switch.
Shout out to Gary and man for helping us out all year. It'll display a warning on the scenes. Round of applause!
Not great. So we want to share
And if you look here, at the right of the countries, these are countries with a lower HCI. So the countries with the dark blue are countries that have a higher power. We have a power increase in this, but we don't have a little bit of from there, the energy is stored in precision battery. They determine that shown here and regulate the voltage to our stationary lines. From there, you determine the cost that would both be affordable for people and pay for the upkeep of the system long term. And that cost would have about $12 per month. And for that $12 per month, people are, instead of getting just kerosene for their lamps, they're getting that was a big challenge. That's last but not least, our faculty advisor, Professor Kevin Fiber. So, PACCAR Incorporated is a global technological leader vision for technology to figure out how to actually implement. So it used to be that when you're doing vision, taking an image, you have to do it once you extract specific qualitative measures, such as, for example, you extract the color white, which is commonly found on license plates and headlights.
say this is I'm going to process back and forth variable. The input variables are what you specify the model looks to define correlations. You can specify your prediction variable to be considered
The combination of our predictive analysis and the real-life data that the user companies have. So until now, for now we come with the conclusion that using real data from your particular companies, we can do the predictive analysis and we can predict the quality when which will occur within the development process or the
To further aid organization and promote its code. This helps to show the relationships of the various processes to each other throughout the I will now discuss the sections of the framework.
That we expect from a square wave inverter. However, the output voltage is 104.5 volts. It was a little odd because the nameplate voltage of the inverter is 220. We figured that this was just
So the whole point of our project is to provide a critique of the framework to people. So here are a few points we feel need to be addressed. First of all, the simulation and testing section of the framework at times can be a little long. We also felt that there should be a change in the structure of the framework depending on the type of model that is being developed. Finally, we also believe that there should be additional information required.
Hello everyone, welcome to the last but not least presentation of the day. We're team EC 14.9 and we're concerning, our project concerns data logging on LAN device. Our team consists of Dayu, Jason Beniones, Corby Chopra, and myself, Eric Robertson.
This is the schematics where the microcontroller connects to the depth sensor here and to the proximity sensor. So the proximity sensor is just along the loop of the Next, we have three communication protocols. There's SPI, UART, and I2C. So we use SPI to store data into a micro SD card because it has the misomosy, which is the data in and data out from one hardware to another hardware.
Put a lot extra components on over the original design, so we had to use both sides of the PCB. So the red one is the A side of those components on the A side of the PCB, and the blue ones are the components on the B side. And Tom Major, it's great number, great outfit. Come on Saturdays and very work our schedule very well. I also like to thank Dr. Moser and Bill Nybarger for their
Ini originalnya ini kayak gitu.
I mean, it does say that it's, is that one for the output?